Hello, welcome back to my channel. My sleeves are just bothering me. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So we have a wig review. And this beautiful girl here is Presley by Henry Margu. So today we have, gonna get my Deets ready. So funny quick story, when I was putting the camera up to get ready to film, I saw something out of the corner of my eye and it startled me, and it was her. Sorry doll. I'm surprised actually that doesn't happen more. Okay, so right now we have an Wille, okay, and I've reviewed a couple from her, not a ton, but a couple, and I think I've enjoyed every single one. This is part of her Changes line. This is Miss Touch, and I have her in the color Candy Blonde Rooted, which I've been really wanting to try. You know, I love me a blonde, I love me an ashy blonde, and the number for that is 101.27.60 in terms of the color. Let's look her up.
It says that you can buy her at wigs.com, which I purchased from quite a bit. Name brand wig outlet, head cover. She's going to retail in that $335 mark.
It says it's a lace front wig. It's a wavy hair texture, shaggy style, and the cap sizes come in petite and average. I have an average cap. This is what she looks like. I just love this color. So this is Candy Blonde Rooted from Wille, and this is Counterculture by Belle Tress in British Milk Tea. So I just wanted to do a little bit of a comparison, just because they do both look sort of ashy, and they are. This is a little grayer though in tone, but they're definitely two ashy toned blonde wigs, and they have the beautiful rooting on them. So I just wanted to sort of show you those two colors, just because A, she's sitting right here, and B, I love an ashy blonde, so you know me. So let's go ahead and get her on. You can see she's got the lace front here, hand tied, very beautiful. She does have a lace parting, okay, monofilament parting, and her straps are the Velcro adjustable straps. There's no combs in this wig. She has a little bit of room in her, I think. You know what, I think it's just an average wig cap. I don't know that it would stretch for those of you that are looking for a bigger wig cap. I really don't. She has bendable ear tabs. She's so cute. All of my tools have so much hair in them. And she definitely has like a number, I'd say it's almost number 6 or 4. It's not quite as dark as a 4. It's probably a 6-ish root, a medium brown rooted color. It does appear to be rooted all the way through, which I absolutely love. Then you're going to get into these sort of cool toned brown and platinum blonde mix. The only thing I get worried about with these blonde colors that have this stark platinum blonde on the bottom is that blonde synthetic wigs in general, like, you know, your blonder colors, the way that they make the color and it's processed, they tend to get kind of snaggy and ratty to begin with. So I just worry about that. I would probably use some like, let's go ahead and use this. This is the Wig Control Spray from African Essence. It's a 3-in-1 formula. I have a full review on this. It says it's for human hair and synthetic wigs. And let's go ahead and use that. I love the color, the smell of this. But just like on those ends, not on anywhere else, just on those ends a little bit. Because I think, I mean, and this would be the case if you sort of dyed your hair this blonde on the bottom. You know, it can have a tendency to get a little dry looking. Maybe that's what I'm looking for. I definitely think the spray helped. This is just going to be something to keep in mind. I don't hate it. I love the color on me, and in theory, the ends just worry me. And I almost feel like if it was just like to here, I might be a little better with the ends. So it's not like the wig style's fault. I just think that for my preferences, I just think that it's just a little dry looking. This is a wavy wig, so I think that using sort of a sea salt spray would make it. Let's see if I can see my sea salt. Okay, so this is Estetica's sea salt spray, beachy and tousled. I have a full review up on this. I got this from the wig company. So let's go ahead and do this. You can kind of see sort of a before and after situation, and you just sort of like work it in and scrunch it. See, it's already bringing back that curl and that wave that was there. And no two wigs are the same, and when you have sort of a wavy wig, just like wavy hair, it's not necessarily going to look exactly the same wig to wig to wig. So just keep that in mind in terms of the level of wave. But as you can see, you can use that spray to sort of tousle it up and bring the wave back. So you can kind of see this was the before and this was the after. Yeah, there's definitely a difference. So while I'm finishing up the review, oh, let's look at her from the back before I start getting crazed. You can even see it in the back, the difference between the sea salted side and the non-sea salted side. So overall, I would say I love the color, okay? And this style really reminds me of Estetica's Ocean. Oh yeah, total difference. You just have to sort of work the sea salt spray. Oh, for sure. So overall, I really love the style. The color I really like a lot. If you're looking for this type of color, I think you would enjoy it quite a bit, okay? The other thing I felt like needed a little sea salt spray to bring back the wave a little bit. And that is just not unusual in a wavy synthetic wig. They're made by hand, so it's going to be slightly different for each person making it. And that's why they don't look exactly the same. But overall, I love the style. I love the color. Yeah, I think she's really, really pretty. This definitely, this average wig cap is average, and it would not work for someone who was looking for a larger wig cap. So, that is what I have for you for this review. I have reviewed a few wigs from Ellen Wille. So it's either going to be my name brand wig playlist down below, or I'll have a separate playlist for her wigs. If you have this wig and you have a different color, or you have thoughts in general, please put that down below. If you want me to review another wig from this brand, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. What am I doing? Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!